Hello everyone, this is Rajneesh and I welcome you all to another video of analysis of end of the day trades taken. So date is one sec. Okay. So date is 30th April 24 and the day is Tuesday, and it is one of the most tragic day for us, and we are lost close to 1,30,000, close to 1,30,000 for today's intraday session. It is very one of the biggest loss in 2024, I guess, intraday. Not even 2020, 2023 also have not lost this amount in a single day. Okay, so we'll discuss in details. So what all went wrong for today. Coming back to the Nifty, Bank Nifty had a very pretty close narrow opening, and there was no gap up or gap down. Yes, 120 to 130 points, I guess. Yes, hardly 100 points of gap up was there. We call it as a normal flat opening itself. And yesterday we had the 1150 points plus of intraday movement. A very huge rally we had yesterday, quite a big rally, very beautiful trading day. And also we made a very a good profit yesterday within two to three candles. We closed our trading session for yesterday. Yes, it is around 1133 points. Okay, point close to 2.5%. Yesterday, Bank Nifty has rallied. So as soon as when the Bank Nifty opened flat, we had bearish to sideway views, and we had no long views actually. In the previous videos, also have communicated whenever there is a strong trending day. Yesterday, there will be no say this follow up second trending day will not be there. If it is going to trend second day, will not be entering long on the first trade itself. So we are looking only for the short entry, and as soon as it made the first candle, it was making a bearish candle. What I did, I entered somewhere around here 49,500 CE. I shorted. If you remember, I have told multiple times today is an expiry day. Whenever we are going taking a trade for a first 915 to 920 candles, always look for premium imperative. So due to this premium imperative, what I did, instead of going for buying the put option 49,500 or 49,400 put option, what I thought, I'll short 49,500. See, I was getting very good premium, somewhere around close to 154 points I was getting, which is very beautiful premium. And the Nifty Bank Nifty was trading somewhere around 49,000 for 40 something, and it was out of the money only. 500 49,500 C was out of the money, and it was getting at 154 premium, very beautiful premium. Initially shorted 60 quantity, and when the Bank Nifty came down here near the previous day close, it was taking support. What I did, I entered 49,400 PE. So one is we have gone four quantity, four lots short on 49,500 CE, and four lots long on PE 49,400 PE. And when it was trying to break the previous day close, I entered two more quantity over here, 60 plus 30 quantity. So total 6 slots and 90 quantity. I shorted 49,500 C. It was taking multiple supports here and there in making red and blue candle. On this candle, what I thought, if the Bank Nifty closes above the first 5 minutes candle, we'll close off the call buying position. So we'll cut the call position. Sorry, PE position, will cut the PE position because the option buying will get decayed immediately. We'll close the position, and 49,500 PE, as soon as it comes to the at the money, we have already shorted CE. We'll short another 49,500 PE. So we'll make it a straddle. CE PE. So we can easily see for this 49,500 PE for 4 lots what we have bought PE, it would have given us somewhere around lost 4 to 5,000 rupees. Max to max, because the SL was not more than 100 to 120 points. 120 points SL was there. So max to max 4 to 5,000 we would have lost. And what we thought, 6 slots we have shorted CE, and we could short one more PE, and by 6 slots of short settle we could have easily managed this 4 to 5,000 loss, and we could have come out of the trade, but we would have not planned for long entry. So this was our initial analysis. But what went wrong on this, after this candle, I was closely watching if it is taking any support or it is any making any closing above the first candle. But to our surprise, this candle closed more than 150 points. And even we waited if there is any follow up or reversal. We waited for this second candle also. And for the surprise, and this candle made 215 points. And that changed the whole game for the day, and that made a very big disaster. And this 49,500 CE went to loss, and this 49,400 PE long, that also went loss. See what mistake we did, we entered more than our this thing position sizing went wrong. Either we should have entered into the option selling, or either we should have entered into the option buying. We should have not adventured both the things. If things could have, if the candle would have closed somewhere around here, then things we could have been, we could have easily managed. We could have entered short straddle here, and the day could have been very beautiful, and we would have ended in green, or either no loss no profit. But to our surprise, this went 200 points, and all the vessels got jumped, and it resulted in somewhere around 15,000 loss, very first trade, because 6 lots selling, 4 lots buying. Total 10 lots going against your favor, that to 200 plus points. Then imagine how could I have been. So what we did, we closed the position at 15,000 loss, and we entered long on this candle. What we thought, when Bank Nifty took multiple support from here and made a very bullish candle, we thought Bank Nifty could make another 300-400 points on the upside, and it should consider somewhere around there. What we thought, we could capture some 100-150 points in the buying, and we'll close for the day, because we had already 15,000 huge loss. What we thought, we could say we can cover 6 to 7,000 at least, and we'll close the loss for 6-7,000. What we did, I bought 49,500 CE here, buying, and in this 49,500 CE short, what I did, I entered 49,500 PE also here, tried to make a straddle here. And our second candle, when I got the follow up candle, I closed the call leg, I cancelled, and only kept the put leg open. PE open is there, 49,500, and here I entered 49,500 CE long. So you have 6 slots, 49,500 PE open, 49,500 CE, you have bought 6 slots. Additionally, I have shorted 49,400 also, 49,400 PE, 6 slots, thinking that Bank Nifty is going to make 100, 200, 300 points going further. Already we were open with the 49,300 PE 6 slots, and we are going long with 49,500 CE, and 49,400 PE also I shorted 3 legs. And today it was a disastrous day, and we took a very bad decisions of entering so many quantities that on expiry, and there was a very huge gamma moves were there. And to our surprise, immediately, imagine, even this candle also gave us a very injection kind of move. From there, as soon as we entered, it took almost 285-300 points come down. Again hitting stop loss for 49,500 CE, open leg of 49,500 P 6 slots, 49,400 PE of 6 slots. Overall, our MTM loss was 46,700 something plus by this time at 10.15. Somewhere around 10:15, we were lost at 46,700. What do you think we went wrong over here? See, very first candle we shorted, it took support, and the very first candle crossed our SL and moved beyond 150 points. Our SL was somewhere around here, right? When we entered here, SL was somewhere around here, above the candle. Crossing the SL, and it moved 100 to 150 against our SL, and we lost somewhere around close to 15 on there. Again, when we re-entered, it made 300 points down. Here also we lost close to 25,000, I guess. Overall total loss making it 46,700 plus change. I don't remember the exact PNL. So it was close to 46,000 and odd. So though we couldn't manage anything, we accepted the loss. But somewhere around at 11:15, what struck to us, yes, Bank Nifty neither going up, it's not coming down. We thought after making such a huge rally of yesterday, 1100, 1200 point, we thought Bank Nifty should consolidate over here, because coming down to the Nifty, we see here Bank Nifty is trading at all time high. Bank Nifty was making already reaching all time high. By this time, it's the same somewhere around 11 o'clock, and it had made a bearish candle also. I thought the Nifty and Bank Nifty will not go further beyond from here, because it had made already this double top here also, and it was making a bearish candle. What I thought, will open a short straddle over here. Either Bank Nifty could again come and take the support over here, or it will be in the same range for the day, the whole day, because we cannot have trending day, because already Nifty is at all time high, and there was no signs of breaking the all time high, because yesterday also Nifty and Bank Nifty both had rallied quite a very good amount of percentage. So in that view, what I did, 49,600 at 11:15 or something, 49,600 short straddle CE and PE. How much quantity? 15 lots, 225 quantity, CE and PE. I shorted. To some extent, to somewhere around here at 12:30, 1 o'clock, we were at profit of 7 to 10,000 rupees. 7 to 10,000. Our MTM loss was somewhere around 34,000 by then, around 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. So what Bank Nifty did, it started moving, coming down, started slowly coming down, and our break-even point was 49,400 on the downside and 49,800 on the upside. So this blue line and this blue line is our break-even points. When Bank Nifty was approaching our break-even line, what I did, somewhere around here, I shorted one more 49,500 CEPE. Why did I short here 49,500 PE? Because seeing the open interest, we had a very huge open interest on 49,500 PE from the very morning. From morning, this 49,500 PE was very stable, and with no moves, it did not make any changes, and it was very strong, solid open interest was there. And even by when this trade was trading around 47 below 500, also this 49,300 PE was very strong. It had very huge open interest. I thought we'll capture this theta over here. And if the Bank Nifty happened to close between 49,600 and 49,400, we could have made, after compensating all the losses, we could have made 30,000 plus. What I thought, as soon as we come down to no loss, no profit, we'll close the trade and we'll get out of the trade. As soon as we entered this 49,500 CEP, it started making first bullish candle here. And you may not imagine, it did not give me a time. I was about to go to washroom, and I was just puzzled to see this candle. Fraction of second, it made such a huge candle, and things went out of the control. 313 points. If I would have not shorted this 49,500 PE, then things would have been easily managed. Because this I entered this 49,500 CEP also here, what I thought, it is spending so much amount of time and already it is consolidating. It should expire somewhere around 49,500 to 600, because open interest showed highest open interest on 49,600 CE and 49,500 PE. Huge open interest. And this candle took everything out of the order, and it gave me a MTM loss of 1,45,000. This candle. And this candle didn't even allow me to make any changes, adjustments or anything. And by this time, when it reached this position, I cut off all the call positions. 49,500 short straddle, the call also I closed. 49,600 short straddle, the call also I closed, and kept only put options. 49,500 and 49,500, 49,600 CE. 6 slots were open. And by this candle, I could see that Bank Nifty is still heading forward, and there was no other means of adjustments. By this time, it was already 2:15 or 2:15 or something time, and one more tragic thing was I had put a stop loss for these call positions, and when I tried to exit, it was showing margin call shortfall. And from, you may not imagine, from 2:15 to 2:45, it was a tremendous pressure of thing, because I had forgot my net banking passwords, because I hardly used the net banking password. I had to find out the ATM card and reset the password. OTP I was not receiving, and internet it had hanged multiple times. And I started exiting this in this time frame, and you may not imagine, by the time I exited the last quantity, it was here already. If it was another 5-10 minutes of delay, then I would have witnessed another 70,000-80,000 rupees, or 1 lakh rupees, I guess, loss. So always plan, if you are an intraday trader trading heavy quantities, always plan for an standby internet. Standby internet. Keep handy always your bank account passwords. Bank balance also you need to have. See, when you are making such a huge adjustment, 15 lots one straddle, 15 lots one straddle, something goes wrong, you should be handy to keep manage everything. Though I was prepared with everything, see, this candle did not allow me any time to make any adjustment, think of anything as such. I was totally not prepared for such an injection move here. Here we got injection move, here we got injection move, we sustained somehow, but this thing took the whole thing out of the game. And another one big surprise was exiting by this time. I was not remembering that I had put a stop loss order, and it has blocked the margin. And I came into a tremendous pressure, and I was looking why this margin shortfall is there, and it was showing some 4 lakhs of margin shortfall. I was trying to arrange the funds, but password was not getting reset. Trust me, if another 5-10 minutes of time was delayed, then whole game was changed. See, from 2:42, yes, 2:35 to continuously it came down. Whatever it went up, and it has came down completely. Another 15-20 minutes, if we would have made any delay, then we would have lost another 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so this will be a very keen lesson to learn always. So what was the key takeaway for today? Always have a standby internet connection. Standby internet connection. Have handy bank account details and password, so that in an emergency you need not go and reset and try finding ATM cards and such things. Keep handy yourself. And third things, prepare for injection moves. Always plan ahead of in this injection moves. See, we don't see such type of injection moves every now and then. See, but whenever it comes, it will take wipe off your capital, so a major percentage of capital. So I lost 4% of my capital. This 1,30,000, what it round of 1,30,000, what it is there, it costed me 4% of my capital. Though these things are uncommon, but this uncommon thing will cost such a huge thing. So always when we take a trade, always plan for injection moves. So plan in such a way that if something goes wrong and against your favor and against your control, see that you don't lose such a huge amount. Either you hedge or take a position in such a way that your loss is under control, and no more than 2% of your capital should be drawn in a single day. Okay. So see you in the next learning video. Hope these things doesn't repeat in our trading career so far again. Wishing the same thing for everyone. So see you in the next video. Till then, a very good bye.